just let this go. Wow. And just let this drop. Beautiful. Wow. You feel a nice stretch up towards me, okay? Let's go ahead, deep breath in. And all the way out. Just let the body relax to the table.
Oh my God.
How's that feel?
Oh my God, that is crazy.
So come down to the left for me. And just let this go. Wow. How'd that feel?
Okay.
Those are super loud. So I'm gonna have you just bend down into me. And just let this drop. Beautiful. Wow. How are you feeling?
You're good.
Awesome. So you're really short on this left side.
I knew it.
Any pain as I press down here?
On the right side.
On the right side, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start right in this mid back here, okay? Just go ahead, deep breath in for me, and let it all out. Very good. One more time, deep breath in, all the way out. Beautiful, wow. Let's go ahead, deep breath in, all the way out. Just let this relax here. Very good. Awesome. You're cracking already, deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Well, okay. Just relax here. Perfect. Same thing here. Beautiful.